Good morning, friends. Today I will teach you about the pollination. That is the next part in reproduction. Pollination means what? Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma or receptive stigma is called pollination. Pollination is of different types: self pollination and cross pollination. In angiosperm, pollination is indirectly because pollen grains are deposited on the stigma and not directly on the ovule. So next, that is the self pollination. Self pollination, that is the autogamy. Auto means self, gamy means marriage. So in this autogamy, pollination takes place within the same flower. It involves only one plant and one or two flowers present on the same plant. In this type, stamen and carpels mature at the same time. In genitogamy, genito means neighbor, flower may be unisexual or bisexual. When flowers are unisexual, both the flowers are present on the same plant. That is monoecious condition. Genitogamous or genitogamy. Ecologically, it is a cross-pollination, but genetically, it is a self-pollinated plant. Example, mirabilis, potato, pea, tomato, rice, maize, jawar, etc. The next one is cross-pollination. Cross means in between the two plants. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma from the one plant to another, one flower to another, or in between. So it involves two plants of same or different species. When it takes place in different species, it is called hybridization. Hybridization may be interspecific or intraspecific. So it have the types. Genogamy. Cross-pollination is same type of species. Example, China rose, papaya. Contrivances of self-pollination and contrivances for cross-pollination. So in contrivances of self-pollination, these are the characters which avoid cross-pollination and helps in the process of self-pollination. There are two types of contrivances of self-pollination. They are homogamy and clistogamy. So first one is homogamy. Flowers are bisexual, stamens and carpels mature at the same time and they are closely and conveniently placed to each other. So bring out the process of self-pollination. Example, mirabilis, that is the water-loving plants. Second one is clistogamy. Flower remain permanently closed for cross-pollination, do not take place and only self-pollination takes place. So example, Commelina, it is also water-loving plants. So next one is contrivances for cross-pollination. So in this, these are the character which avoid the self-pollination and helps in the process of cross-pollination. These are following types of contrivances of cross-pollination. First one is unisexuality, that is the declining. Flowers are unisexual and plants are dioecious. Due to this, only cross-pollination takes place. Example, papaya. Second one is self-sterility. Self-pollen grains do not germinate on the stigma, so self-pollination is avoided and only cross-pollination takes place. Example, orchid and tea. Then dichogamy. Flowers are bisexual, but maturity period of stamen and carpel is different. In Protandry, stamen matured before carpel. Example, jawar, China rose. In Protogyny, carpel matured before stamen. Example, Annona. In both the condition, only self-pollination takes place. Then heterostyle. Hetero means different, style in stigma. So heterostyle, flowers are dimorphic in same flowers. Style is long and stamens are short. In other flowers, style is short and stamens are long. Pollination can take place only in the flowers having equal length of stamen and carpel. So Only cross pollination takes place. Example, jasmine, primula. Last one is herocogamy. In herocogamy, self-pollination is avoided due to structural barrier in the flower and only cross-pollination takes place. Example, Gloricea and Calotropis. Then study about the agencies of pollination or agents of pollination, pollinating agents. So in these agencies, abiotic and biotic factors are there. Abiotic means non-living and biotic means living. So abiotic, it have the wind and water. First, wind, that is anemophily, it is also called as anemophilous type of pollination. Second one is water, hydrophily, it is also called as hydrophilous type of pollination. Biotic, living things, that is the insect, animal, birds and bats. Insect, type of pollination is entomophily, it is also called as entomophilous. Animals, zoophily, zoophilous. Birds, ornithophily, ornithophilous. Bats, chiroptrophily, chiroptrophilous. So these are the agents, these are the agencies of pollination. So thank you for watching my videos, subscribe it, like it. Thank you.